This is a song called Dangerous. It's from our last album, which was, it was an album called Seasons, but it was made up of 3 songs, per season. I don't know which season this was from. Dangerous.
Autumn.
Was it autumn?
I mean, they didn't actually go in the order of the songs, so it was really quite confusing. But this is a song about wanting something so much that it's actually quite dangerous for your brain. Obsessive. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I wake up haunted, my dreams are taunting, they leave me wanting for so much more than this is our purpose, and this is our reason to be here, this is what makes us, but this is what some find so in fear, we don't have a choice now, gotta silence any voice, how can I sit waiting for the season, sitting on the sideline, chewing on the hope, brewing in the back down, begging for the reason, I don't know how I can test this patience when I obsess with sensations, when I am stressed, it's dangerous. Wise will tell you, relax and let it be, but words are empty when they can't empathize with it. This is our purpose, and this is our reason to be here. This is what makes us, but this is what some find so in fear. We don't have control, no. Till the body scream, burying, hold on, buckle up and breathing. Manage every touch wall, trying to stop time and hurry up the days. Do it while you're grieving, and I don't know how I can hold this frustration when I digress with temptation when I am stressed. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. I know it's life, but it's not fair. It's the game that changes everything that I have ever known. With this bruising on my skin, I can run from anything when in the depths of my despair. We get right up, we start again when we have frozen every sense. I know we'll feel it in the end. And this is now and that was then. We can learn to live again. We'll hope for better days ahead. This is our purpose. This is our reason to be here. This is what makes us. I wanna spend it